to stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause you better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
Join in. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh.
I'm so tired, you guys. I was attempting to do a clean with me today. The only thing that I got done was folding and putting away laundry, which for me is a big accomplishment lately. I've just been so tired. I'm finally getting my nausea under control, thank God. But I'm just so tired. Like, I need to clean my kitchen. Like, I need to just clean my whole house. I'm trying to nest because I just feel like I want to clean, you know, all the time. But when I start, I don't have energy. I'm so tired. But at night when I'm laying in bed, I'm like thinking about all the cleaning that needs to be done. Like, I need to get them clean. And I just don't have the energy to do it. My baby's eating her some fruit right now in her high chair. And my oldest should be getting out of school soon. This is her last week of 2nd grade. I cannot believe she's about to go to 3rd grade. So, yeah. I'm just sitting here on the couch thinking about everything that needs to get done. I'll probably get up and start cleaning soon, and I'll take you guys along with me if I decide to start cleaning. What you doing? Ow! 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 You saying hi to the bus? Getting off the bus? Here comes Sissy. Yeah. Hi,
learned this, and I'm a mad scientist.
You're a mad scientist.
Yeah, that's what my thing said when we were doing awards. So I got this new water bottle, and it has candy.
Awesome. How was your fun in the Sunday?
It was great. We did it at the softball field over at the middle school, and when it was so fun, cause like at the middle school when we did it, they had bubbles. We had bubbles. We had a bunch of cool stuff, and we got to get 2 popsicles. We had one, and then we got a stamp, and I got a shark tattoo. And then so when I got the shark tattoo, my friends come up and they're Sorrow, we can't get an extra popsicle because it was almost time to go, and Miss Day was trying to get rid of the popsicles.
Well, let's go jack your mad scientist cup. Come on.
Yeah, my purple mad scientist thing.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. Okay, y'all. Your girl's officially exhausted. I just did like a crap ton of dishes and I'm tired. I still need to clean off my stove. I still need to put some dishes away. That's in my drain rack, but you know what? Your girl is tired. I'm gonna finish my cup of apple juice and I'm gonna go to bed. Get off my feet, relax, probably do some editing for you guys, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for spending the day with me. I don't do too many day in the lives, but I'll try to incorporate those more, but I will see you guys later. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. On the grass.